Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is we're going to talk about the importance of skincare, why skincare is so important, and these products that I have been using on my face. Oh my gosh, like I'm just like really impressed with it. So I'm going to be reviewing Drunk Elephant stuff. So what Drunk Elephant is basically all these like 10, 12-year-old kids on TikTok is just like talking about skincare products like Drunk Elephant, blah, 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 blah. Like it's like really, really good, stuff like that. My personal opinion about it is these kids don't need these skincare products. Their skin is beautiful, flawless. They're 10, 12 years old. But me, I'm pushing 30 and y'all can see kind of like my bags and stuff like that. So basically, I wanted to get on this hype for Drunk Elephant. So it was my birthday a few weeks ago. And so I went to Ulta, got like my little free sample birthday gift or whatever. So one of them was like a Drunk Elephant cream or whatever for your face. So I was like, okay, like, you know, I do have like some wrinkles, whatever. I went ahead and got it. So I started using the product, whatever. And all of a sudden, within a few days, I don't know if it was like a magic pill or something like that, but like I really started to notice my face looking a lot more like clearer and tighter and youthful and stuff like that. So I went to Costco looking like this. And this guy was like 6'3", muscular, tattoos and everything. And he just looked at me, started smiling at me, did a whole 180 looking back at it. Like, I was like, oh my God. Like, so I really do believe skincare routine is really, really good. I mean, makeup and all is nice and all, but also having natural beauty too is just as important. And this video is not being sponsored whatsoever. So Drunk Elephant, if you want to sponsor me, let me know. So basically I went to Ulta. I wanted to buy, because of that experience, I wanted to buy some more Drunk Elephant products. So I did not know what to buy at Ulta. And to be, y'all, I thought they were selling I thought Drunk Elephant was at Sephora, but I guess the Sephora didn't have it where I was at. So Ulta has it. So I went to Ulta and I was looking at all these products. I'm not gonna lie, these products are very expensive. Like it's literally like $50, $60 for like a thing of it, depending on what you want. But they had like this whole like travel size jelly bag full of different products in here. So I was like, okay, cool. It was only like $80. So I was like, okay, like $80 for like all these products. So I went ahead and bought it. And I wanted to do like a review. Like I wanted to show you guys how I do my skincare routine to stay like, you know, with the Kardashians or whatever. So yeah. Okay, so let's open her up. One thing I do like about this product is that it's giving like early 2000s vibes, like the color and like the material used. Like, so I guess the bag is like a jelly bag or whatever. Oh, this is so cute. Look, and it has like all the products in here. Okay, so I got it out. I love this little travel size bag. It's super cute. I love this color. It's definitely cute for summer or whatever. But yeah. Let's open her up and see what's in here. Oh, this is cute. So I guess it comes with like some kind of greeting card, I guess. Oh, I gotta open it. Comes with this thing. It's like a jelly cleanser. So I guess it's for like makeup or whatever. Like if you have makeup, oil, dirt in your face, like it's good to like remove that kind of stuff. Yeah, so this was the product that I was using on my face. And yeah, I really like this product a lot. So cute. It comes with like sunscreen. Okay, so I did the reading. I read the directions. So this right here, so this is like daytime, basically. So it tells you like what to use for the daytime. And then right here, this is the nighttime. So then the rest will tell you like what this is for. So basically too, and then I seen this. I did not know what this was. So this is like vitamin C for like your face. So basically, one of them has like a powder in here, and then the other one, this is like, this is the liquid, and then this is like filled with the powder. So you pour the liquid into the powder, and then you mix it up, and then you use the pump that's on here. So that's why it comes with two. I was so confused. I was like, why is there two of these in here? Virgin marula oil. So this, I guess, helps hydrate your face. It helps absorbs things like minerals and all that. It's like a rehab for your skin, rich in critical antioxidants and omega-6 and 9. Marilla nourishes and balances while restoring youthful glow. Okay, my skin needs this. Okay. This was the product that I was using on my face, and like, yeah, I was getting compliments on my face or whatever. This basically, I feel like this like helps with like, it tightens your face. Apply morning and night, clean, dry skin. Yeah. Sunscreen is actually really, really important. My grandmother, she would always tell me to put sunscreen on my face because, you know, we have holes in our ozone layer. So, of course, the ozone layer can't protect our skin because of pollution and all that. So, my grandmother, she never put sunscreen on her face. So she has like these spots on her face. And she said they're called sunspots. And she said it's from the protecting my skin when I was younger. So, with this, we are definitely going to use the sunscreen to top it off with sunscreen. So this will be the morning routine. And then the nighttime routine, I will film that part too and show you how to do the nighttime routine with these Drunk Elephant products. Okay, guys, so we're in my bathroom. So I'm going to show you how I do like my morning routine. And then later I will show you how I do my nighttime routine. But so first, what we're gonna do with these products is we're gonna mix the products up. So this has the powder in it. So the one with the liquid in it, you want to basically, so it's like taped on here. So we're gonna have to like, sorry guys, I thought I was recording, but basically I took the liquid serum or whatever, and then I poured it into this like powder thing, and then it says to shake this up for like a minute. Okay, so I mixed this up the best that I could. Okay, so in the morning, I like to use this Clean and Clear, gently removes oils, pores, clogging impurities with vitamin C and BHA oil free. So I like to use this in the morning. And then you also want to get like a little cleanser, automatic cleanser thing. I got this on Vanity Planet like years ago, and it still works. Basically, like what I like to do with this is like wet my face, and then like I like to put this all over my face. You know, it's just to clear my skin. So yeah. But basically, you just want to go all around. Make sure you really get all of like in the crevices of your nose, because that's usually a lot of like oil, blackhead buildup and things. But yeah, I just do this all around. I really like this because this really gets in your pores and it gets all like everything out. And to be honest with you guys, I haven't had acne. I haven't had any pimples or anything in like, I want to say like within probably like a year and a half. Because this product, because of the skincare routine, it really gets in there. Daily dose of vitamin C for your skin. So all you need is one pump. Okay. And then my favorite product is this Proteini polypeptide cream. So this helps, I guess, like tighten your skin, helps give you like a youthful look. So yeah, I just get like I just dab it onto my skin in like 4 places, like here, 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 and then I just do that. And then like make sure you do like your neck too, because your neck, especially like if you wear makeup and stuff, like that you put like your foundation and whatnot on your neck. That's like very important too. Now, yeah, and then so the last step we top it off with like sunscreen. Dab it on where I think it needs to go. You definitely want to take care of your skin because, yeah, like you may be young now in your 20s, but like definitely when you get to like your 30s and 40s, like you're gonna wish that like you really took care of your skin and whatnot. So, and then I am going to show you how I do the nighttime routine, and I'll let you know during the day how I feel about my skin and whatnot. So I would say wait. So if you want to wear like makeup and things, I would just wait 15 minutes after you do the last step. So that way like it fits and it absorbs into your skin. So I would definitely wait and do that. Hi, Magical Creatures. So I'm back. I've had a hectic day, but so the daytime products that I use from Drunk Elephant, I'm not gonna lie, I really loved it. I would give it a 10 out of 10 just because it like made my skin so much more like youthful. I feel like it made it like more tighter. I felt like it made my skin look a lot more clearer, my texture, my skin texture, and what else? Like my complexion and everything. I just feel like it was a lot clearer. It's the end of the day. It's nighttime, so we're gonna try these night products and see. So yeah, we're gonna take these lashes off, makeup. To go in with my Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Facial Cleanser. So gently removes oils, pore clogging, impurities with hyaluronic acid and sea kelp extract. So I like to use that for my face. Guys, how ironic. My face cleanser broke. So yeah, the button is no longer working anymore. Wow, how coincidental. Get up in the pores and everything like that. So we're gonna use this jelly cleanser. So it's like the same thing, like it clears, like it's a cleanser just to clear like all the makeup and stuff. And since my machine thingy broke, it's good to like do this again to really make sure we get up in the pores and get everything out. Now that my makeup has been removed, like I'm pretty impressed because usually I still have like makeup like under here, but using that face cleanser from Drunk Elephant really like took it off. So I'm pretty impressed. Now that my makeup has been removed, like I'm pretty impressed because usually I still have like makeup like under here, but using that face cleanser from Drunk Elephant really like took it off. So I'm pretty impressed. So next, what I like to use is this isn't a Drunk Elephant product, but this is the Retinol Collagen Under Eye Mask, Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizing and Tightening. So if you have like bags under your eyes like me, basically this stuff, like you're supposed to wear this like 3 times a week. Yeah, it says wash face. Yeah, so it says use this around 2 to 3 times a week. So what you do is you put this under your eyes, and this helps like with anti-aging, the wrinkles and like bag and all that. So you put that in under your eye, and then you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, you just take it off. But I like to use, it's, a new week. So you want to do this at least 2 to 3 times a week. I do it 3 times a week because I'm over obsessive, but yeah, it looks like this or whatever. And they have these on, and I got these on Amazon. They come in like different colors. They have like a pink one, a gold one. I think I'm gonna try the gold one next, and then the blue one. So, and it comes with this spoon or whatever. So you just scoop like one little thing on or whatever. So next we're gonna use this TLC Framboos glycolic night serum. So basically what it does is a high-tech AHA BHA gel that resurfaces dull congested skin by gently lifting away dead skin cells. Pump. And then we're gonna go in with our oil. See, they're already starting to slide off my face. And to mix with the product. I feel like a chemist. That like helps with moisturizing and tightening and stuff like that. So it just says to use like one swipe. So I think this is good enough. And then you just like mix that around in your hand, and then we're just gonna apply on our face. And then also using like other products too. But I kind of like it so far because just it's like already like I feel like you know how like when you get like your eyebrows waxed or whatever, and then like it kind of burns a little bit, and then they put that aloe vera, and then it's that nice soothing feeling. Like that's kind of like what I'm getting on my face right now. So now after my face is good. And that is it, you guys. Okay, guys, so definitely I finished my nighttime routine. So give these bad boys like another 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna take these off, and then I should be ready for bed. But definitely, this is my skincare routine. I hope you guys follow this skincare routine because I feel more confident when I do this, especially when I go out in public. Like my skin looks so good and everything like that. So definitely it's a form of self-love too. So yeah, definitely I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay magical.